The Lamborghini Aventador is a mid-engine, two-passenger sports car manufactured and marketed by Lamborghini from 2011 until 2022. Named after a prominent Spanish fighting bull that fought in Zaragoza, Aragon, in 1993, the Aventador succeeded the Murcielago and was manufactured in Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy. The Aventador was launched on the 28th of February, 2011, at the Geneva Motor Show, 5 months after its initial unveiling in Sant'Agata Bolognese. Internally codenamed LP750-4, it was designed to replace the then-decade-old Murcielago as the new flagship model. Soon after its unveiling, Lamborghini announced that it had sold 12 cars, with deliveries starting in the second half of 2011. By March 2016, Lamborghini had built 5,000 Aventadors. At the time, it was the second best-selling Lamborghini model ever. It was replaced by the new Aventador S in 2016. The Super Veloce SV was announced at the 2015 Geneva Motor Show. It featured an upgraded powertrain, with maximum power output increased to 750 PS 552 kW, 740 HP, from the standard Coupe's 700 PS 515 kW, 690 HP. Combined with a weight reduction of 50 kg, 110 lb, from increased usage of carbon fiber both inside and out, the SV had a power-to-weight ratio of 1 HP to 2 kg. It also featured improved aerodynamics, with downforce increased by 180% as compared to the standard coupe. Notable aerodynamic upgrades were a revised front splitter and rear diffuser, along with a fixed CFRP rear wing. Driving dynamics were enhanced with electronic steering, magnetic push-rod suspension, and chassis improvements to increase rigidity. Overall, the SV 0 to 100 km/h, 0 to 62 mph, acceleration time decreased from 2.9 seconds to 2.8 seconds, with the theoretical top speed still somewhere in excess of 350 km/h, 217 mph. Delivery of the car began in the second quarter of 2015 with production limited to 600 units. Road and Track recorded a 0 to 241 km/h, 0 to 150 mph, time of 12.8 seconds, a 0 to 322 km/h, 0 to 200 mph, time of 33.5 seconds, and a 0-14 mile, 402 m, at the top speed of 227.4 km/h, 141.3 mph, 0 to 322 km/h, 0 to 200 mph shootout. Production ended in July 2017, with the last car finished in a bespoke liquid metallic silver.